students, welcome back. Today we will take a look at exercise 7.5 of chapter 7 triangles, and this is on page 132. So the first question, show that in a right angle triangle the hypotenuse is the longest side. So let us first draw a hypotenuse, right angle triangle with hypotenuse. So I have triangle ABC where angle B is the right angle, therefore obviously AC is the hypotenuse. So what do I need to show? That AC is the longest side. That means I need to prove that AC is greater than AB, and also I need to prove that AC is greater than BC. So let us see how we are going to prove this. First of all, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degrees. But angle B is a right angle, therefore I will have A plus 90 plus C, angle A plus 90 plus angle C is 180 degrees. Therefore, angle A plus angle C will be 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which will be 90 degrees. So angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B. Now let's just write this and then we will proceed further. So I'll say in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Why? Sum of angles of triangle. Is 180 degrees, but angle B is 90 degrees, so angle A plus 90 degrees plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which is equal to 90 degrees. Correct? Therefore, angle A plus angle C is equal to angle B. So now what do I get? That obviously angle A is less than angle B. See, if you consider a scale, a balancing scale, and I have angle A plus angle C over here and angle B. Correct? If I remove, say, A, the side for B will go down. Similarly, if I remove C, the side for B will go down again. That means A individually is less than angle B and angle C individually is less than angle B. Let's write this down. So therefore, I get angle A is less than angle B. But what is the side opposite angle A? I have BC. What have we learned in inequalities of triangle? That the side, the angle which is greater will have its side greater, correct? So what can I say? Therefore, BC is less than AC, and I'll mark this as 1. Similarly, what do I have? Therefore, angle C is less than angle B, correct? Now the side opposite angle C is AB. So obviously AB. So AB is less than AC. I'll mark this as 2. What do we get from 1 and 2? That AC from 1 and 2, AC is greater than BC. I'm just erasing this section. And AC is greater than AB. But what is AC? AC is my hypotenuse. But AC is the hypotenuse. Correct? So what can we say? That the hypotenuse is the greatest side in the right angle triangle. Therefore, in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is the greatest side. Hence proved. So in my right angle triangle, AC is the hypotenuse and it is greater than AB as well as it is greater than BC. This is valid for all the right angle triangles. The hypotenuse will always be the greatest side. Now let's move on to question number 2. So what do we have in question number 2? That angle PBC is less than angle QCB. And what do I need to prove? See, this angle here is greater than this angle here. What do I need to prove? That this side AC is greater than AB. How are we going to prove that? I'll say proof. So first of all, here we are going to consider the linear pair axiom. If you notice that angle PBC plus angle ABC is equal to 180 degrees through the linear pair axiom. Why? Because AP is my line and BC is the line that is standing on it. Similarly, ACB is plus angle QCB is equal to 180 degrees, again through linear pair axiom. Therefore, angle ABC plus angle PBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle QCB. Now let's write this first. So I'll say angle ABC plus angle PBC is equal to 180 degrees. I'll mark this as 1, and angle ACB plus angle QCB is equal to 180 degrees. I'll mark this as 2, and both are through the linear pair axiom, right? So what I'm going to say from 1 and 2, these two are equal. Equals that are equal to the same thing are equal to each other. So we have equals over here. Therefore, the right hand sides are equal. Therefore, the left hand sides are also going to be equal. Therefore, I get angle ABC plus angle PBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle QCB. But what do we have? But we have which angle is greater? QCB is the greater angle. So I'll say angle QCB is greater than, or rather I'll just say angle, because we have PBC on the left hand side, I'll say angle PBC is less than angle QCB. Correct? Now to understand why using PBC here and QCB here, why this angle is greater, ABC, let's see. I'll just rewrite this statement once again. ABC plus angle PBC is equal to angle ACB plus angle QCB. Correct? Now what is, we know that this plus this is 180 degrees, this plus this is 180 degrees. So now we have QCB as the greater angle, right? So let's say suppose this is 90 and this is 80. Correct? Now this plus this has to be how much? 180 degrees. So obviously this angle will become 100 because it's 100 plus 80, 180 degrees. Similarly here this is 90. So what will I add 90 to get 180? I will add 90. So what are we getting from this? That angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Let's take another example. If suppose I say this is 70 and I take this to be 80, because QCB is given that it is greater than PBC. So how much would this become? This would become 110 degrees. Similarly, this would become how much? 100 degrees. Correct? So in both the cases, what are we getting? That angle ABC is greater than angle ACB. Correct? But what is the side opposite ABC? The side opposite ABC is AC. And the side opposite ACB is AB. And in brackets I am going to write inequalities of triangle. Correct? So have we proved what was needed? Yes, that AC is greater than AB. Right? So this part you can just put in the explanation. Just put it in a box bracket for your teacher to understand. Obviously the teacher knows, but this is for your explanation purpose. See over here. and you can just mark this over here. Right? So this will give a better clarity. Even while you are preparing for your exams, you will understand how we have proved the required question. So let's go ahead with the third question now. Okay, it is given that angle B is less than angle A and angle C is less than angle D. I need to prove that AD is less than BC. So AD is less than BC. So how are we going to prove that? I'll give you a gist over here and then we will go about writing the proof and understand how the proof is working. So first of all, angle B is less than angle A. Therefore, obviously OB is greater than OA. Similarly, C is less than D, therefore OD is C is less than D, therefore OC is greater than OD. But what do we need to prove? That AD is less than BC. AD is made up of AO and OD. So I am going to add what I have just proved, that BO is less than OA and similarly OC is less than OD. OC is greater than OD. We will add the two terms and then we will understand. By adding AO to OD, I get AD, and BO to OC, which is BD, I get AD is less than BC. Let's write the proof and understand this. So I have angle B is less than angle A. This is given. Therefore, what do I have? OA is less than OB. Why? Inequalities in triangle. And I'll mark this statement as 1. Right? Over here, what has been given? That angle C is less than angle D. This is also given. Therefore, what do I get? The side opposite C would be OD. OD is less than OC. Correct? Again through inequalities in triangle. I'll mark this as 2. Now what we are going to do is, we have OA and OD making up AD. Correct? So we need AD. So if I take the left hand sides of 1 and 2 and add them up, what do I get? I get adding 1 and 2, what do I get? OA plus OD is less than OB plus OC. But OA plus OD is what? OA plus OD is AD. Also, OB plus OC is what? BC. Therefore, we have proved that AD is less than BC, which is required. So, I will say hence proved. So, this was about the first 3 questions of exercise 7.4. Let's take a look at the remaining questions in the next class. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.